I've assured Governor Cuomo and Mayor de Blasio that they'll have all the federal support they need as they go forward.
سنكون معاونين أقوياء بالنسبة للقضية الفلسطينية والقضايا الأخرى التي تهمنا في المنطقة.
And I assure him that we will cooperate with him, and we will be very strong in these efforts, whether with regard to the Palestinian issue or the other regional issues.
أشكره مرة أخرى.
And I thank him again.
Okay, we got doctors assured people that Ryan White posed no risk to his classmates or his community.
But girls telephoned Mrs. Kennedy to be sure there wasn't a mistake, because they were only 17 and 14, and they were sure they weren't really supposed to be invited to a state dinner at the White House. But Mrs. Kennedy assured them that no, she wanted them to be guests, but their mother, Mrs. Johnson, said you can't have the wine.
So rest assured the summary document you received is backed up by precisely the kind of detailed legislation that Speaker Pelosi and your administration have been busy ignoring for 12 months.
Right. The American people can be assured that the FBI and their partners in this process have all the tools and experience they need to learn everything we can. And all the American people should rest assured that all of these decisions will be based on the science and what's best for the people of the Gulf. I assured her we're assured that they're safe. It's important to understand, and the American people need to be assured that anytime we initiate a mission like this, our top priorities are making sure this person is not able to carry out attacks against the United States, and that we're able to obtain actionable intelligence from those individuals. And so that...
But rest assured, before its implementation in January 2012, the plan will have gone through even deeper consultations.
And the Japanese public also were reassured and re-recognized the significance and importance of our alliance.
Mike, as you look back as your 4 consequential years as chairman and your 4 decades in uniform, be assured our military is stronger and our nation is more secure because of the service that you have rendered. And that's why, rest assured, we will take no options off the table. And I reaffirmed to the President and assured him that the United States will continue to support Georgia's aspirations to ultimately become a member of NATO. And as we do, rest assured that the Iranian government will know our resolve, that our coordination with Israel will continue.